not pulsing.
Need some light, sir.
Yeah, I need some light.
Bam!
You need a magnifying glass.
Oh my god, are you sure this is the same screws? Yes, it is.
So y'all don't have that tools.
After 26 weeks of arduous basic training, the day for passing out.
I don't understand how to put two sessions.
Oh,
because it goes like, oh, okay, I understand.
Didn't think now may have taken it because she was a bit
David.
of a wild child. Yeah, he was starting to drift the wrong way at that point.
Oh, what's that stuck on there?
It's time for her to play her instrument in front of a big crowd, whilst marching and wearing a bear skin. It's a job that comes with its own unique set of potential hazards.
You need to see where you're going.
That'll be too easy.
You need to drop in music.
Don't jinx it, man.
Yeah.
Just all start around.
Watch your mouth.
The whole thing, start to finish. We're looking at around that.
This video is not sponsored by Starbucks, by the way. It's a Starbucks card.
Oh.
Yeah, I was gonna use it as Jimmy thing, but it turns out I didn't need to. That's nice. But yeah, this bar. There's one. There's one more.
Oh, another one.
Wow.
4 connectors.
Nice. Holy mac and cheese, that. Well. Yep, done. Alright.
That's the battery out while ruining everything.
Does it come with adhesive?
Yeah, it came with adhesive.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Oh.
Well, don't break anything.
Maybe that's why. It broke.
Oh. That's not good. Oh, don't tell me I need a hair dryer. Uh-oh. It's not coming out.
Let's have a new hair dryer.
Oh, man. That
You
sucks.
should use the hair dryer first before you even try to pull it.
Yeah. I can't believe it.
Lesson
Get the hair
learned.
dryer.
Lesson learned. Oh, well, all you gotta do off the thing, you gotta pull all your screws away.
Can't believe that thing strip failed.
I think that was all. That's the first time that happens to all companies. I guess it's been there for possibility.
Yeah, let's talk about it.
Hope this don't catch on fire.
Yeah, better not. I feel like all the fire extinguishers we have are too old. So you can-
I'm cleaning off the inside. so it won't take up as much space as it should. So, oh, look at it. See, that's the way it's supposed to come out. And it died.
It barely fit in the first
It was
place.
thin.
Because this is the iPhone 6. This is the one you could bend with your hands.
Oh, it came off. This is not good. Oh, get off of my finger. Wow, that's it? I think I messed up the adhesive.
Sure it's facing the right way.
Nope, it's this way. Oh, no, I definitely faced it the wrong way, John.
Oh, what?
Serious tape. Oh!
Well, if we're ever replacing it again, you're not gonna have any tabs to pull.
We do what we just did. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry about this. Get the scissor. Right there. Oh shoot.
The way around.
Oh shoot. We gotta replace the button.
Yeah. X.
Oh man.
Gotta move the button over. Or you could just put that on screen back in.
No. So dirty. Whew. Okay, breathe now. Oh shit, where'd it go? Oh, boy. Did it fall to? Did it fly out, John?
I don't know. That's it.
Oh man. Oh, I see it. Hold it again, John, please. Ugh. All right, let's see if this thing works before I close it up completely. All right. Success. Okay, let's make
The
sure.
home button work?
Yes. Yeah, it's working. Maybe do a fingerprint? Does this thing have fingerprint?
Oh, darn things in the way.
Oh, the skin.
Oh, hold up.
Oh,
I
this
did my
first.
password off screen. Why does it feel like there's something there? Oh, I see. Are we good?
We're good, right? Are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
You got another phone?
That was like a just.
Okay. You gotta let it charge now. Whew. Those little. Oh, oh no! Oh, they go to the bottom. Almost lost it there.
Oh, the sun's out. Yay. Yay. Go outside, John?
It should have been warmed up to 40 something.
I need to do grocery shopping. Bad day to go grocery shopping too.
Alright, go charge it up, John.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
No, hug,
It's intact.
Oh
It's
my
alive!
god. It's intact.
So how do you experience with the things in the battery?
I hate those little screws. They're like ticks. I thought I lost it, but it was right here. It flicked. And then
What's going on? We just replaced the screen and the battery of my phone. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. It's really a day of fixing things. I think that's the title of this thing, the day of fixing. Focus. I think that's the title of this vlog. It's gonna be the day of fixing. We got the toilet that's broken. We just fixed my iPhone 6. Now we're gonna, you know, put some hot glue and some other stuff. You know. What's next to break?
Oh, the towel thing is busted too.
Oh yeah, and that towel thing you hold, the rack you hold the towel.
towel thing? It's broken in half?
Yeah.
I think Grandpa used it for like 11
I mean, I broke it. Don't look at me. I mean, I broke it.